Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Xbox Series X, active Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate, and GTA V installed. Once done, make an RP account name and a dedicated email to track invites and whitelist approvals. This prevents confusion later. Next, adjust Xbox privacy and network settings to allow party invites and open NAT so voice and join requests work reliably. Finally, free at least 10 GB of storage for mods or updates. These steps remove common blockers before searching for servers. You now find compatible servers. Use Discord, Xbox clubs, and Reddit communities focused on GTA RP Xbox. Once you locate a server, read rules carefully and confirm if they support Xbox players or require console-specific steps. This avoids wasted applications. Then follow the whitelist or application process precisely, fill forms, attach a short character bio, and include screenshots if requested. Make sure to cross-check time zone and roleplay culture, so you pick a server that matches your playstyle and reduces rejection risk. You finish by completing whitelist steps, attending any required orientation, and linking your Xbox gamertag to the server profile so staff recognize you. Once accepted, tweak controller bindings, voice chat volume, and sensitivity to perform reliably in roleplay scenes. Smooth controls improve immersion and reduce mistakes. If something goes wrong, first verify NAT type and network, then resend whitelist info or politely contact server moderators with screenshots of your application and Xbox settings. That single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.